Shriram Capital is the holding arm of Shriram Group. So Shriram Group is having a legacy of 51 years and we have around 20 million customers where the branches are pan-India, around 4,500 plus branches. See, the technology is totally aligned with the business and business is aligned totally with technology. We have developed a Shriram One app, bringing across all Shriram Group together in this app. And second app which I would like to highlight is that Astra. Astra is an app which is for Shriram Life Insurance. So Shriram Life Insurance, we have developed a B2B app. So this app has at least 30,000 agents. We call it as a field agents who go for life insurance, who collect the policies on behalf of Shriram Life Insurance. User experience is very, very important for Shriram Group. So we have made in such a way that the customer journey for all the applications should be simple, easy, and also it should have a good graphic interface. We were working on silos, like we have multiple tools in place, like networking monitoring tool is a separate tool. Then we have a tool which is related to security. So multiple tools are there, and there was most of the time, it will become like a blame game. So there is something where we felt that there is something where we need to improve it. So finally we went with the Dynatrace, and once the deployment, we could get a clear picture, the visibility of all our products. Security front, Dynatrace is helping by bringing all the security, real-time analytics and what are the vulnerabilities which are available. Very few APM and also automation product which has microservices feature is Dynatrace. One thing which I liked in Dynatrace is that you have a Davis AI. So this Davis AI, what it does is that it gives a real time of how my application is. In a single pane of glass, I can see my application flow. I can easily track that in a particular SP. There is some blocks happening. Immediately I can find out and I can rectify it and I can modify accordingly. I would like to thank here the Dynatrace is that predominantly after deploying it, at least 15 hours I could save of my manpower on week-on-week basis. At the minimum level, we are getting a 20% of resource saving. You have a single product which can handle on cloud as well as on-premises. Thanks to Dynatrace recent thing of bringing SaaS also. If I want to tell in a single sentence, it was a blame game among us. After Dynatrace coming in, it is a game changer.